So guys, welcome to the Alpha Squad, and I am with Vihan, Branesh, Likhit and Anam. Today we are going to do an adventure. So guys, if you don't know who Branesh is, he is a new member of our Alpha Squad.
We're going to do adventure on our road T2.
Yes.
Let's start from there.
So we showed you the tour of the whole P2, but we didn't show you the secret. We didn't show you the secret. One of the rare videos in which Vihan has joined us.
Very. And this is the first video in which Branesh is there.
So now we are walking from this small way here.
This is the start of the adventure, the first level. And this is a challenge that you're not actually allowed to do adventure in the grass and all because of the gardeners and all. So this is actually another challenge for us. So that's why we are walking.
It's very thin road.
And now this is a very thin space. Very thin. Walk very steadily and now.
It's very thin. So there are few gaps too. It's very hard to hold the camera while doing this.
I am
These leaves are so beautiful here, as you can see.
but those are not our focus. Our focus is to balance.
Uh,
So we have completed the first course. Now there is at least 10 courses over here. Anam, come here so that the others can hear you.
So, as you can see behind over here we have completed.
I completed this whole length.
yes.
So we're going to continue.
It's very thin here and we have completed the course. We're going to continue ahead. So now they are crossing this course. I'm going to get a clearer view from here while they are crossing the course. Now I'm going to cross the course. Shit, this is very... And through these trees...
This is one of the hardest because it's
But it's not as thin as the course there.
but there is obstacle because of the obstacle.
It's very hard because of the obstacles I want to hop on now. The leaves distract you a lot. So guys, this is...
What if we go from here?
I go down.
Go from here, right? I think it's. I know this is the hardest part. Route down and I may have very technical difficulties. Anna, you could just come from there.
There are a lot of leaves, so it is hard to...
Give me your hand.
So now these guys are going from here. I'm going to show you the view of these guys. These guys who are adventuring here, I'm going to show you the view. This is the captain guy. This is the vice captain guy. This is also the vice captain guy. This is I don't know who guy. He's a unknown guy. Now there is a subway here. We have showed you in the full P2 vlog. The subway. It's so hard to do when you're holding the camera.
Why did you remove them, bro? There are some honeybee hives over here. I am like there on most honeybee phobia. हम लोग जा रहे हैं. आराम जल्दी काम जल्दी. I have lost one life. Alam Bhandari has lost one life. So basically you have 3 lives. Basically, you have 3 lives. If you lose all of them, you are out.
Yeah. I don't have my life because I am holding the camera.
This is a very thin part. Be careful.
You have infinite life.
I have infinite lives here. So now they are crossing from the fragile path here.
These are very poisonous, so be careful. They are not poisonous. Who cares, brother?
They are doing it for views sake.
Yes. Please subscribe and view, like.
Bro, there is a cat here.
We have to complete 100.
There is a cat hiding here.
Hello, Mr. Cat. Or Miss Siri. Never mind. Kiri. This is Kiri from Kiri. She actually find it from Kiri. Watch when it's like go. Watch when it's like
Now this is one of the main paths
Should you go from like this or like this?
from there.
from that.
Inside. I think
So this is one of the most secret paths here and one of the most important paths. It is very important in games like Full P2.
yes, I should. I guess so. There are some trees.
I'll show you from here and here too. I am the doubler, the drizzler, the dribbler, the goalkeeper. So now I'm going to show you one of the main paths. So these guys are going from the Lalla Lalla path and I'm going from the ultimate. So this is a very hidden path. You can see that they are going from the easy path and I am going from this path here. This path is very important in Full P2 hide and seek. It connects the garden and the this area from this area. So you can walk from here easily with a shortcut. So now I'm going to show you what these guys are doing for the next challenge.
And I have acquired a very useful skill.
This is not your before, but it's like beautiful.
Which Likhit thinks is useful, obviously.
This is Likhit's layer. Hey, exact. Hey, not very smart, but still useful. Yes. Not very useful, but still useful. What the? What the hell? That's a red hand, brother. From another mother. Okay, I am abandoning the useful stick.
I'll take it actually.
Beware of this.
Beware of the stick being thrown at you, Likhit. Okay, I'm going to go ahead. I don't care about Likhit.
Hey.
This is how you cross from here.
Hardest part of this is the second hardest part of the whole. Oh, we are continuing from here. No. From here.
You have to go. This is the easy path and I'm taking, and this is the ultimate path. Very hard.
You have to like climb. Not climb. Down here, yes, you have to climb like.
And then you can't touch this ground. This is lava.
You cannot touch the ground. This is lava except the camera.
Yes.
Except the camera.
Yes. So now we will cross this, but we are cutting for a while because it will take a lot of time. So everybody, we have started here. Here is Likhit is coming down and Pranesh is bridging. Because I am holding the camera, I am going to take the easy path from here.
Just transform yourself to the other side.
This is the easy path from here.
Okay, I'm lagging.
Show your path.
So this is this path.
I'm lagging.
Here I am showing my path here. And this is these guys' path. It's quite easy.
The fountain over here.
Yes. When it was open, it was very good, and the fountain went like 7-9 meters high. And now he's crossing. Anam is crossing. I'm going to cross to my way now.
The slope.
Now
Now we have to climb up here.
Yes. I'm just not going to show
Hardest
it.
part of all.
Yes, this is a very hard path. You are correct, Vihan.
Oh, Captain, why are you taking so long?
I'm gonna just show this.
Because I'm very tall. Bro, even I'm tall. I'm literally carrying a bag. I'm wearing a cap.
Bro is tall. Tu 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 tu. Tu 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 tu.
No, here. 0.0001% people can do this. And they have to be immune to plants.
I don't know if you can hear this guy here, but he's saying that only 0.0003 people can pass this path here. So because they are very away, you can't hear them, but they are saying some things. Now he's saying that there's a broken tile there. Yo! A tile was removed by Vihan. I'm going to show you them. Let's see who can complete the challenge that's so first.
Now here's the break time.
So let's see who can complete the challenge first. Vihan has reached the break circle first, but actually the first one was me, obviously, because I'm the Sigma. And Anam is reaching it last.
And the next phase, what you have to do is you have to jump down, not
Yes.
down. We have to go.
Wait, we will show you that later. So break time, and we will show you the other next part in part 2.